Xenon Fever Defense is a temperature screening device that quickly measures users' temperatures and gives a red or green light stop-and-go system if a normal or elevated temperature is detected. Fever Defense uses facial recognition to detect when someone is in front of the device. It asks them to step into the detection zone. Once in the detection zone, between 1 and 5 feet, it quickly measures your temperature. When the user has a normal temperature, it will give them a green light and an audio message. If the user has a raised temperature, it will give them a red light, an audio message, and a warning alarm will sound. Xenon Fever Defense is accurate to 0.3 degrees Celsius or 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you confidence in the readings the device provides. This is a standalone device, so it doesn't require additional employees to manage it, meaning you don't jeopardize the safety of other employees during the temperature screening process. Our device screens others in less than a second, and so allows you to quickly screen temperatures without the risk of congestion at your business entrance. Xenon Fever Defense is calibrated to the World Health Organization's recommended temperature of 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you capture users experiencing the early onset of fever. The device can scan users wearing a face mask, ensuring you don't need to ask employees and customers to remove their masks, potentially compromising their safety. Assembly of the device is quick and easy. It doesn't require a trained installer and can be assembled by any member of your team in just 15 minutes. Xenon Fever Defense comes with a full 1-year warranty. Visit petroleumservicecompany.com for more information on the Xenon Fever Defense body temperature monitor. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us via phone, email, or chat. For Petroleum Service Company, thank you for watching.